Hey guys, I think we might have another Air Jordan 4 wet cement situation where, people say, yo, they gonna sit. They ain't gonna sell out. Nobody worried about these. I'm telling you right now, based on what we've seen with the wet cement Air Jordan 4s, this new upcoming Air Jordan 4 might do a little bit better in terms of how many people actually want these things. We gotta talk about it in today's video. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. All right, guys, so recently, within the last couple weeks, we got the release of the Air Jordan 4 wet cements. And I told y'all in the early look, in the early review, that these things right here is some pressure. I know a lot of people would start liking them a little bit more towards the release date because they look like the cause. It's an all gray sneaker. Go look at the cool gray 4s, what them doing. And of course, you go check out the call 4s. Them things is doing some extra crazy numbers, but I myself really wanted these. I did have an early pair, but it was not my size, and I was lucky enough to hit on the Nike sneakers app. And what's crazy now, I've seen like 2 random restocks on Nike, and I've seen one on JD Sports for these Air Jordan 4 wet cements. And what's crazy is they're not as high as I thought they would be on the resale market. And the only reason I'm bringing up because they did sell out relatively faster than your normal, Air Jordan 4. Like the military blues ain't sell out instantly. The Air Jordan 4 Brand reimagined. There was so many pairs that, of course, they're not gonna sell out instantaneously. But these things right here were moving, bruh. You guys know, probably in certain areas, certain locations, probably like those lower tier stores where they get a bunch of pairs, maybe got a couple extra pairs floating around. But around my area, there is no more of these things sitting anywhere. I'm talking about anywhere. But again, had to show a little bit more love to these things right here, bruh. Definitely will be on a lot of people's top 10 lists. It's going to be a lot of people's regrets as far as not putting the emphasis, the energy towards copying these things. But of course, we're not talking about the wet cements, man. We're just talking about something else that we got coming up very soon. You guys see the flight up top, the jump, man. Air Jordan 4 retro, black, white, and black. And these are in a size 8.5, not my size. So these things might be, walking the plank here soon, but you see them, bro. The Air Jordan 4 White Thunder things. Now, these things right here, bro, I'm telling you. And I don't know if it's just me, and I'm not trying to hype it up. Trust me, I'm not trying to hype it up. You guys just know I love Air Jordan 4s. And I'm just comparing the two. Like, check out the wet cements, right? Dope sneaker. But you got another shoe that's a little bit extra better in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? And it's a little bit more easier to rock because it's black and white. And I thought a lot of people will gravitate towards these things a little bit more because although you have an all gray sneaker, it's easy to rock and stuff like that. All black and white, you cannot go wrong with it. And check out the black cats, bro. We got the black cats behind us. I definitely have to grab them, here shortly. But what a lot of people are going to be doing is, customizing these to look like these right here. So the black cats definitely did some crazy numbers when they did drop. I think it was back in 2020 or 2021. Was it 2020? It might even been 2019. I'm not too sure. I had these things for a while. To wore them a couple times, but the resale out of nowhere went crazy. And again, you guys know I'm not too crazy about resale. I don't care about the resale value, but that kind of, dictates a couple things. Like, yo, either a lot of people want a shoe or not that many people actually end up wanting and liking the sneaker. And these right here were sitting. That's what's crazy. These black cat 4s are sitting all around my area. I know a couple of you guys watching as well. They were sitting in y'all areas, but she was like, I don't want them. I don't want the all black folks. I don't want the black cat 4s. And next thing you know, check out that resale value now. But with that being said, with the resale value being said, like I said, we got to tie everything together. We got to make it all make sense. And the reason I bring up the resale value on these because nobody wants to spend $800-900 on the black cat 4s. They want them. They know these is hyped up out of nowhere. So they're going to buy these white thunder things. And they're going to customize these to the black cats because it is an easy, easy customization. All you need a little bit of black paint all the white spots black, and you do have a black cat, bro. So I could definitely see this being a little bit more liked in terms of the general public. Like, they're gonna go out and get these because they want the black cats, and we've been seeing it a lot on social media where people actually customizing a bunch of Jordan 4s to make them look like the black cats. We've seen that with the bread ones, Chicago ones. We've seen it because that's the colorways we really want. So people go get something else and customize it and save hundreds of dollars on them. And these right here aren't going for too much. I do want to check on StockX real quick just to see, what the prices is looking like and stuff like that. But in terms of the White Thunder 4s, I'm knowing these things right here gonna be a little bit of an issue, a little bit more of an issue than wet cement Air Jordan 4s. White Thunder 4. Boom, there we got it, man. Check them out. Yes, they are still going in the high $200 and $300 price range for the bigger sizes. Check them out, man. I'll put a screenshot over here so you guys can peep them, man. But like I said, the release is right around the corner. I think the release date on StockX is scheduled as August the 24th, which is 2 weeks away, man. 2 weeks away, and we shall see. I'm gonna come back to this video, and we're gonna see how many people are saying, yo, I'm customizing these. I appreciate the advice. Thanks for the heads up. But, bro, put that energy towards these. Do not sleep, bro. Do not sleep. That's the motto, because you guys have been sleeping on a couple releases that up and went out of nowhere. And with this year going into next year, I feel like, you know, pick the ones you really want this year. You know what I'm saying? Why the price is low, why they're going on sale and stuff. Because I do feel like next year they're going to be making a lot more shoes, a little bit more limited, not as general releases. We have been seeing like millions and 700 some thousand pairs. I don't see Nike doing that based off of how much money they did lose this year. So like I said, be ready, put your seatbelt on, buckle up, and get ready for 2025, because we have a bunch of heat dropping. I'm talking about back to back. It's like a solid 3 to 4 sneakers each month that are, you know, you talk to like an OG sneakerhead, you like, yo, he's definitely gonna get them. And I feel like I'm in that boat where I'm gonna have to get like 2-3 pair of shoes each month, because man, they are dropping some bangers, bro. I just need the homie Tops to put this little banger, you know, ad lib right there, because that shit is crazy, man. I already know. It's going to be a lot of money spent, man. And real quick, man, I know you guys see we do have the White Thunders, and on August the 24th, going to be another dope collection from OutRank Brand. You guys do see the T on right here. I'm sure got to show y'all the back, man. We got to show y'all the back. Look at the back, man. Look at the back. Look at the fours. It is a perfect combination. I've been saying this for the longest. The match is perfect, bruh. Make sure you guys use my discount code DeVintage to save 10% off your entire order. I'll link it down below. OutRank is the only way to go as far as getting your apparel to go with your sneakers. And this White Thunder 4 collection, something crazy, man. But I appreciate y'all's support, man. Thank you guys so much. And I can't believe I got this far in today's video without saying, bro, we just witnessed some history today, bro. The Olympic men's basketball team, USA, went crazy, man. Steph Curry, and I know you guys know I'm a huge LeBron fan, but I gotta give Steph his flowers. He went crazy today. Definitely needed him. It's probably gonna be the last time we see Steph and LeBron in Olympic uniform. So as always, you know, I gotta remember this. I gotta, you know, always remember this, capture this moment, because we're not gonna see anything like this again, bro. So you guys let me know if you checked out the Olympics basketball squad today. You know what I'm saying? USA versus France, and USA went home with that gold. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and leave a huge like on today's video. That might go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. And with all this being said, man, your boy DeVintage, gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.